who needs a boyfriend when you have clothes? I'm like, Zara, you've outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm very excited because if you see over here, I done a little shopping. Now, I mean, this is probably the biggest Zara splurge I've ever done. Will I regret it? Well, we're gonna find out, aren't we? So, without further ado, let's go over and open up these boxes. Come on. Okay. So I don't know why they put them into 3 separate boxes. I mean, that's a bit weird, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it and I'm not gonna think too much into that. I'm just so excited to see what's inside. I'm like, oh. And let me tell you also, as a side note, these came very fast. Like literally I ordered them 2 days ago and hello. I ordered them on a Tuesday and they arrived today, a Thursday. I don't know if you've ever heard of a small show called the Savage X Fenty Show. It's Rihanna's lingerie line show. It's on tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave the queen over here for the duration of the video. I mean, when you're watching this, it will already be up, but when I'm filming this, it's up tomorrow. So we're just gonna leave her there. Okay, so let's open up this box. Oh, okay. Okay, we're starting off with a more controversial item. Oh God, I'm nervous now, okay. Ooh, okay, okay. Can you see this? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this item, let me explain, okay. So, okay. I feel like I should just take it up and show you it, okay. Okay, let me explain before I even try it on, okay. So, I've been kind of floating around with this idea of having like a leather blazer or something, or leather jacket, because I've seen, like I've recently became a Pinterest person. I love Pinterest at the moment, like for like outfit ideas, because I can design a room no problem, but when it comes to my outfits, I struggle to kind of see, when I buy things, I just buy things I like. I don't think, oh, how would this work in an outfit, or I don't have an outfit in mind when I go to buy things. So I've tried to do that now. So this will be the test, because I've seen like an outfit on Pinterest, a few outfits with the men wearing these like leather kind of blazers and like throw them over hoodies and like jumpers and stuff. I just thought like it looked really cool. I'm not gonna remove the tag yet because I'm not gonna do that to myself. Okay, so let's try it on. Will I do a click transition? Wait, hold on. Okay, ew, it looks disgusting on camera. But it's fine, we're gonna check it in a minute. I mean, to be honest, I don't hate it. I don't hate it, to be honest. I mean, I feel like not with this outfit, obviously, because like it just looks a bit like, I don't know, not very cute. But I mean, I think it could look good, okay? I mean, I might come back to it when I open up a few of the other items, but at the moment, I actually kind of like this. I'm actually very happy that I got this, because also in the image, it looked very square. So I was kind of nervous about that, but it is very like relaxed, and it's light, and it's very soft. I must say, it's very soft. It's not real leather, it's faux, so don't come at me. And I'm also a vegan, so I would never buy real leather, so don't come at me. But I do actually like this. Like, I mean, maybe like with a black, like pair of black trousers as well. How like just like gothic would that look? And cool. Okay, so this is the leather one. This was $79.95, which I mean, not bad. Like considering like it actually is a very nice fit. I actually really love this. Okay. Just imagine like, you know, what would be the scenario? Maybe this would be more of an out, like going out kind of outfit. I think I would only wear this to work. I mean, no, I don't think I'd wear this to work, but I do think I would wear it out like on a night out or something. Maybe not with a turtleneck. I don't know. I have a lot of mixed emotions about this. Okay, we started off with like a controversial item. Now, the next ones aren't as controversial, so like I'm kind of glad, because this one I was kind of nervous for, and I'm actually like happy with it. So like, I mean, okay, so I feel a lot more confident going into this now. I can breathe. Don't know if you can tell at the start I was a bit kind of nervous and standoffish because I didn't really know what to expect with this. As well, when you drop that much money, you want everything to be perfect. But this is good. I'm actually happy with this. I'm glad I got it. Anyway, let's go on to the next item. Ew, my hair is probably like so messy. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. This like is so nice. Okay, I just threw this on the floor and I probably shouldn't do that, so I'm just gonna quickly fold that up. This is so nice. Oh my god, this is definitely like me. This is me to a T. Like, I really like this. Like, yeah, I just think this is so nice. Oh my god, like, is this not just gorgeous? Oh, I love it. I love it. I mean, I don't know. I see when I'm looking at the viewfinder here, it doesn't look good, but like in the mirror it looks okay. So I'm just gonna go off the mirror's opinion. Okay, let me just take off the tags because I'm definitely gonna be keeping this, and the tags are really annoying me. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was a lot more difficult to. Okay, it's organically grown, so anyone about the environmental issues, it's all good. Okay, so next item is this corduroy shirt. Oh, sorry, this was, hold on, where's the tag? This was $49.95, and I think it's worth it, to be honest. I'll probably wear this tomorrow to work, I think. Okay, I'm actually very excited about this. Okay, I want to give you a close-up anyway first of like the texture of it. Like, it's a corduroy, so I mean, so on trend right now. Yeah, it's focusing on me. Right, and I like the silver buttons as well, and I don't really have much beige items, just because I don't think beige looks good on me. I just think it washes me out. But, you know, we're gonna I really am loving the size of this. Oh my god, Zara is just killing me with the fit. Oh my god, like they however they measure their clothes and like tailor them and everything, it's just like I feel like so comfortable right now. Like, I feel like so comfy right now. Like, this is just, I wonder, can this be tucked in? Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, oh, I was like, where's the microphone? It's here, it's okay. Like, oh, yes. I can't. Guys, right now, I'm sorry. Cut the cameras, I'm done, I'm finished. This is all I needed right now. This right here, just these two together has made this all worth it. So I want to thank you for being here, helping me like just experience this moment of just, I feel like I look like an angel. Like, I just feel so like light and just like, oh, like graceful. And like, these are my wings. Oh my god, like this is everything. Like, this is just everything. I'm like, Zara, you've outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself. I'm sorry. Hello, top man. Any of you guys out there. I mean, get on this level. Get on this level, because this is the fit I need. Like, kind of drooping your shoulder a bit, but still not like swimming on my arms. Everything I needed is right here. Okay, anyway, let's open up the next box. I mean, I want to keep this on, but I know I can't because we have a whole video to get through. So, come on, James. Let's just move on. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite so far. This is my favorite thus far. Let's have a look and see what we shall find. Also, I feel like I should mention, if you hear like doom 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 like music, Dean's downstairs in the gym with the boys, so they're working out. So that's what the music is. Oh, I forgot that I ordered this. Yay. Okay, this now, don't let me down. Don't let me down, because I was excited for you. One thing you should know about me, I don't normally wear color. Color is just not me, but this is me. This is me. Like, okay. I'm actually like, I feel like I'm a dog, and like just like my tail's going. Oh my god, I can't. Like, guys, if you could feel the like material of this, it's just, I know already that this is gonna be, well, this top, just wait. hugs your arm is just like none other. Who needs a boyfriend when you have clothes? Yeah, I haven't even seen it like properly yet, and just how it feels on me, I'm like, it's a 10. Oh. 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 Okay, let me just compose myself for a second. I am so glad I got this, because this was like a, will I get it? Because I already have like a blue kind of plaid thing. The blue plaid does not fit like this. I'll say that much. This is what I've been needing in my life. This is it. This type of fit, I love it. It's just so comfy, like I feel comfortable in it. Like it makes me feel good. And I think that's the most important thing when it comes to clothes, is it has to make you feel good. I'm so glad. I was tempted. I was like, will I film it tonight? Or will I leave them till tomorrow? But then I was like, no, I need to see them now. And then I was like, oh, it's so dark outside. But here's to elevating our style at the end of 2020. Let's go. Okay, right. Okay, let's try the next thing, because I could look at myself all day in this, because I love it. I never thought yellow was going to be my color, but like, are we living? Are we living? Yes, we're living. Okay, next item. Come on. Okay, so let me a little backstory here. I feel like it's this jumper that's making everything look so damn good. I needed okay, I'm curious if it's gonna fit or not now. I needed just a simple black overcoat, because I don't have one. I mean, I do, but like I don't like it. So I needed a replacement. So that's what this is for. Okay, don't do this to me. Not with a black. Don't make the black coat. Oh, like the fit of these are. Oh. Like, Zara, if you ever want to hire me to do anything, like, you don't even have to pay me. Like, go on to Zara right now, guys, and buy these items, because oh my god, when I tell you that it fits so nicely, yes it does. And I thought this was going to be short as well, but like I got like a size large, so it's a bit like looser on me, so it's not tight. I hate things that are tight. I hate feeling like constricted and like held down. And this doesn't make me feel it. This is, oh sorry, let me go back. Sorry, this $69.95. And let me tell you, it was worth every penny. It was worth every penny. This was $59.95, and I mean it's a black like overcoat. Like I mean it's a basic item that you need. And I didn't have one, and now I do, and I'm very excited. Yes, I am. That's all that was in that box. I mean, I think it was a waste of cardboard, but you know what? We're not going to roast Zara after them giving me such vibes. Okay, final box, guys. Final box. And to be honest, I can't really remember what's left, but we're going to get through it. Okay, I'm so excited about what I've gotten so far. Oh, I forgot I got a pair of boots. Woo! Okay. Oh, I'm kind of sick and I have to change my top 2 more times, but we got, so remember my navy one of these I also got like a lighter version. I mean, do I need to try this on? I don't think so, because I mean it's the exact same color as this, so I mean it's not that exciting. Okay, I am though excited for the boots, so I'm going to put these on first. Oh my god, they're massive. Okay, I knew Zara had to let me down some way or another. They're so big. Is it just me or are they so big? Let me try them on. Okay, I don't have like on proper socks. I have on ankle socks, but they'll have to do. I don't want to take off any tags because these might be going back, even though I probably won't get them again because there was only like one of my size available. Yeah, these are too big. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm sickened. Okay, they're quite big. Oh my god, they're very roomy. I don't know if you can even see. You can even see them, but they didn't. I mean, it could be. I mean, to be honest, they don't look. I mean, do they? Yeah, they do look a bit big on me. Yeah. Oh, this is a sickener. The one item. Okay, and you have to leave it to the last box. Okay, well that's fine. I guess I'll just return these and it'll be okay. I'll just get them switched out for a different size. What size are these? I mean, these are size 9, so these should really fit. These are $79.95. Oh my god! I mean, they're not easy to get on nothing, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, size 9, but they're so, like, big. I want to put them up against the bottom of my foot just so I can see where my foot falls. Yeah, I could probably go down a size. But then, will going down a size, will they fit? I don't know. It's a lot to digest. They're not very comfy either, I'm not gonna lie. They're not very comfy on. Okay, why am I falling all over the place? Okay, so they're going to go back. It couldn't all be good. It couldn't all be sunshine and bunnies. Had to be a sour apple in there somewhere. I knew when I opened them up they were going to be a bit big, but like that's fine, we'll just return them. No harm, no foul. So I also got a khaki jumper as well, so let's try this one. I mean, I'm not even going to pretend that I'm not going to like this because I love green, so I mean, I'm not surprised that I like this, to be honest, because this is very comfy. I'm so excited about all these new clothes. Like this is nice, yeah. Everyone needs like, you know, good quality, just like, you know, jumper for like it's so weather. And this is that kind of like very like nice knit as well. Zara do very good knits, I must say. Like they're very comfy and they're very light, and they're very breathable, which I mean is a 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10 in my book. I want to put back on my favorite item. Oh yeah, it looks great with this as well. Like this is just like the best item I've ever got in my life. I'm so happy I got it. I knew I should have kept with my instincts and bought it because it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so favorite item, this. Second favorite, this. I love this. Then it was probably then these two. A joint, because they're the same, just in different colors. I mean, it wouldn't be fair to pick one of over the other. Then I suppose the black jacket. Then this. Then the leather blazer. Then the shoes, because the shoes failed me. Shoes failed me. I mean, maybe they're not. Maybe that's just me being like. I'm gonna have to like ask my brother when I put them on if they did and see if they look big on me, because at the moment I think they do, but like that could change anyway. Anyway, guys. Oh my hair's a mess. No, it's a lost cause, I'm afraid. It's left to chat. It's doing its own thing now. It's past its bedtime. It's done. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comments what was your favorite item, and would you like to see some more clothing hauls, because I mean, it's not hard to convince me to buy more clothes, even though I'm pretty broke at the minute from this splurge. So it's fine. Money grows on trees. Well, technically it does, because it's paper, so you know. Anyway, guys, let me know what you thought. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go and see more videos, because I have a lot more projects coming up before the end of the year, and I do not want you to miss any of them, because one of them is coming up pretty soon and I'm very excited about it, and I don't think you want to miss it. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.